Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 10 from chapter 24 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, let's see, we're combing our hair and that makes SS electrons on the comb. And so how fast do we need to move the comb up and down to produce red light? Okay, so let's start with what we know. We know we have red light, so that's an EM wave. And they don't really give us a wavelength, and so I'm just going to pick 660 nanometers. Red light's between about 620 and 750 nanometers. Okay. And so by moving the comb up and down, that means we're going to be looking for the frequency. Okay, it's an EM wave, electromagnetic wave, so C is equal to lambda F, and we are looking for F. So F is going to be C divided by lambda. Substituting the numbers, we have 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by 660 nanometers. I'm going to replace the little n with 8 times 10 to the minus 9. Okay, so that's how many meters we have. I did the calculation and I got 4.5454 times 10 to the 14 hertz. To 3 sig figs, I'm going to call that 4.55 times 10 to the 14 hertz. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.